a bridge to find opportunities, job opportunities in data science. Because a student can learn different areas of data science that they didn't know before, and also they can meet professionals from industry, and we have many experience in previous years that people has found a job attending our summer school on data science.
Bueno, creo que todo aporta, sobre todo eso, ese conocimiento amplio, transversal, creo que va a ayudar mucho a la hora de encontrar trabajo en distintos puestos.
I decided to do this course to expand my knowledge in general about data science and the development of AI. And I have to say that it has been very useful for that.
Explain what are the general, let's say, trends in cybersecurity, the main terminology used through cybersecurity news or job postings, and some very general cybersecurity concepts they can use and apply to get to know the field better.
I've been teaching the students the business side of technology. So in all the other classes they learned about new technologies, AI, data security, statistics, etc. And my classes, I've given them 5 hours of classes spread over 3 days to teach them about, well, to put them to work basically and get them to think about if you are running a business, what does all this mean for you?
Today I have the honor to make a presentation regarding how data visualization is a tool that mostly helps to communicate data. But in this presentation I put a lot of focus on the different approaches for representing assumptions and interpretations of that data.
Many companies have like a backlog program, and you can register and legally hack.
Well, and now let's try to see what happens. As you know, European Union regulators are very.
Sometimes the understanding of the spatial distribution of phenomenon of interest help us to take insights and important insights about that phenomenon, and this is very important in our world.